I gotta check this out. I got my ears lowered today. Doors open at 72 degrees. And my guy was telling me a story. He said somebody tried to weld. Somebody tried to weld the bogie into the frame. Bogey's cast. Frame isn't. So we're gonna get underneath there and take a look. We're gonna look, see. I'm gonna get on my creeper and actually do something. Here we go. Oh my God. Well, hi Leroy. That's Leroy the dog. He wants to be in film. He's a Mullion poodle. He's a good shit. Anyways, I'm gonna have to show you this. This is somewhat semi-retarded. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Wow. I don't care how good you are. Oh God. Uh-oh. Look at there, we got grease at the bogey too. That's not good. Who in God's name would try to do that? There. I'm just gonna bitch. You can't do that. Here. It'll never work. You want to see my nose hairs? You can't do that. It'll never hold. It'll never hold. Oh, this just tells me what kind of repairs that we got ahead. And that's not good. But keeps me in business. That's what we're in business for, so I just thought I'd share that. That is horrendously just, I don't care who you are, that's just retarded. You don't do that. Whatever, we'll fix it up, we'll clean it up, that's our job, that's what we do. We'll make it right, we'll make it work. Because that's what we do. Right? Because that's what we do. See? See?
Oh yeah.
Kid and wife, so we're all out in the shop. It's after hours, but I had to crawl underneath there because Troy showed me that. Don't hit your head on the forwarder bunks. That really hurts. They don't move. I showed you the re-rod yesterday. It's a dirty shame that somebody does that kind of stuff. I don't know. I don't know. I got enough. I don't have any more words other than that's retarded. Well, don't use that word. Somebody takes offense to that, right? Whatever. We'll fix her up. Just means we got a lot more work, and I have to call the customer now and say, you know what? Hopefully you didn't bite off more than you could chew, because that's. Now here's another case for the old saying. Fix it right the first time. Okay, enough. I'll get over it. See you, bye. Leroy, you good boy. Sit. Sit down. Say hi. Look it. You're a good boy. Come here. Yeah. That's Leroy. He's my pal.
What was your song?
Good boy. Okay,